All right, so you're craving Bicol Express, specifically Kuya Fern's style? Good taste, my friend. This Filipino classic is creamy, spicy, and just the perfect comfort food. Let's make it easy to follow but authentic in flavor. To start, the star ingredient is pork belly. You'll want about a pound of it, diced into bite-sized pieces. Don't skimp on pork belly. Its natural fat is key to the flavor, which no other meat really replicates. Pro tip, half freeze it for easier cutting. Your next essential is coconut milk. We're talking at least 2 cups, one for the base and one for the soul. Coconut cream, if you can find it, will make it even richer. Trust me on this. Use the good stuff. Now, chili. Bicol Express is meant to bring that heat. Slice up about 2 to 3 red or green chilies, seeds removed if you're a heat rookie, but keep those seeds in if you're bold. Adjust this based on your family's spice threshold. Garlic and onions, the holy grail of Filipino cooking, are next. A whole onion, finely chopped, and about 6 cloves of garlic minced. Yes, 6. Don't underestimate garlic in this dish. It's your aromatic powerhouse. We'll also need shrimp paste, known as Bagoong Alamang. This is where many beginners hesitate, but hear me out. It's salty, savory, and a non-negotiable for that deep umami punch. 1 tablespoon does the job splendidly. Let's cook. Heat a pan over medium heat. No need to add oil because pork belly fat will render down. Cook it until brown and crispy, but not fully cooked through. Pro tip, drain some of that excess fat, but leave enough to coat the pan. Toss in the garlic first, then the onions. Let them sauté until fragrant, golden, and shimmering in porky goodness. Add your sliced chilies here too. The smell, it's going to turn your kitchen into a 5-star restaurant. This is when you stir in the Bagoong Alamang, letting it cook into the mix for about 2 to 3 minutes. You'll notice a deepening of the color and aroma. That's your flavor base, saying, we're getting somewhere. Slowly pour in the coconut milk and stir. Bring it to a gentle simmer, not a boil. Boiling can cause the milk to separate, and nobody wants a curdled Bicol Express. Pro tip, stir occasionally to avoid burning at the bottom. Once simmering, return the pork to the mix, cover, and cook over low heat for about 20 to 30 minutes. Give it occasional stirs, making sure the pork becomes tender and the sauce thickens. The sauce should cling to the meat. Luxurious. Finally, taste test. Adjust with fish sauce or salt if you need more seasoning. Serve this over heaps of hot jasmine rice. The combination of spicy, creamy, and savory is why this dish has no rivals. Oh, and don't forget cold water. It's spicy.